Ayan o, I'm not sure kung ano to. Pero, tingnan nyo guys, ang dami nila. See? Super dami. Ayan. Does anybody know what kind of fruit is this or what kind of plant? Vine siya guys. Just like that here. Napakalaki ng vines. I mean, hindi naman sa napakalaki but, ayan. Yung mga vines niya is nandito na sa fence. Marami. I'm not sure talaga. Parang ang sarap-sarap pero I don't wanna try it kasi baka it's poisonous, diba? So, ayan, especially here. Super black fruits na very very shiny. Yeah, I don't really wanna pick anything. So I guess when they're ripe, they're really really black and red or green when they're young. And there's so many flowers on it. There guys, alam nyo ba to? Ayan, mag-comment down below kung ano yan. Or, familiar ba kayo dito? Diba? It's a beautiful Saturday morning.